Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and ask you a very serious question. Actually, this is a life-changing question. It may not seem that way, but it actually is. And it'll determine a lot, right? Well, the question, as you can see, is how many $90 monthly recurring commissions do you need to make a change in your life? Or let me rephrase it a little. How many $90 monthly recurring commissions would it take to make a change in your life, right? What extra $90 a month? Well, that's a couple fill-ups. What about two? $180 a month. What about three? That's 270. Four, maybe five, $450. Just think about that question in your head as I present you this opportunity that's actually free to start. But first, before I tell you the opportunity, what I want to do is I want to show you the plan that's highly executable that you can do. And even if you did it halfway, like most people, they try stuff online and they give a halfway approach to it, right? Even if you did it halfway, you would still benefit. And the magic of this opportunity is you can start free for 7 days. It has a free trial. All you have to do is sign up for free and execute the plan. If you're serious about making money online, I don't see what the problem is, right? So what I'm going to do first is say the question again. How many $90 monthly recurring commissions do you need to make a change in your life? And now I'm going to show you the plan just so you can see how you can execute this plan. And then I'll show you the opportunity. Like I said, that's free to start. So here's the plan, right? Now, the way this plan works is that you try to get 4 people. All you need is 4 people. And like I said, even if you did it halfway, like most people who try to make money online, they halfway attempt and say you only got 2 people, it still works. It'll just take you, actually, even if you only got 2, it'll still work. And then once you see it working, you believe me, you'll get your hustle on and try to get that 4. Matter of fact, you'll try to get more than that. But anyway, so here's where we're going to go. We're going to start in week 1. The key here is to get 4 people, right? Now, remember how many 90s you think it'll take to make a life-changing, to change your life, right? So in week 1, you strive, you do whatever you can to get 4 people in this opportunity that I'm going to show you, right? So you get 4 people. That's 2 people because this has a pass-up type of leverage in it where you pass up the second and the person you get passes up the second, right? And then the 4th that gets passed up. So there's 2 pass-ups, right? So just keep that in mind. So you strive to get 4 people. That's 2 people passed up to your sponsor, right? And 2 people stay on your pay line. And your pay line is just where you are, right? So you're building your team right in front of you. That is your pay line, okay? So so that's $90 times the 2 people on your pay line. Look, that's an additional $180 a month. As we go from there, week 2, those 2 people, because you're going to teach those your downline. Matter of fact, you don't even have to be part of the teaching. You just bring them to our Facebook group, and they'll do all the teaching there, right? You get your 2 downline members to bring on 4 each, and guess what? That's another 2 individuals that get passed up to your pay line. And when you do the math, now you have 4 people paying you monthly, and 4 times 9 is $360 per month. On top of the original 2 that you had that you were getting $180 a month on, and that brings your total to $540. Now, do you see the magic of this? In 2 weeks, by you getting 4 people, you already are going to make $540 a month. Now, again, I'll ask you the question. How many $90 monthly recurring commissions do you need to make a change in your life? Let's continue. Week 3, those 4 new ones on your pay line each refer 4, 2 of which pass up to your pay line, which is your pay line. That makes 8 more on your pay line from the 4. Each of one of the 4 passes up 2 times 4 is 8. Now you have 8 people on your pay line, right? Not counting who you had already previously, but 8 new members on your pay line. 8 times 90, that's $720, plus the original $540 from week number 2, and now you have $1,260. Is that life-changing? Will that change your life? I mean, the plan is simple. All it takes is for you to execute the plan. And like I said, you can do this starting with a free trial. But let's continue, because the magic happens once you get to week number 4. So those 8 new ones on your pay line, remember, your pay line, right? Each get 4. So 8 of those people bring in 4 each. So pass-up wise, you're going to get 16 new people on your pay line. Now, 16 times 90, that's $1,440. That's $1,440 per month, not counting your original week 3 numbers, which is $1,260 a month, right? Now remember, you only got 4 people, right? Imagine if you only gave half an effort and only got 2 people, right? You would have half of this, right? You would have like $1,300. Still, guess what? That's still some life-changing money, because you can still pay a rent. You can still pay off a credit card. You can still pay down your debt. You can still pay off a car. You see what I'm saying? So really, think about the question again. How many $90 monthly recurring commission do you need to make a change in your life? By week 4, you should really have an idea, right? Because now you see the potential of what this opportunity can do. So now what I'm going to do is, I know the question is, well, how do I find the 4? How do I find the 1? How do I find people to join me in an opportunity that's free for 7 days that you haven't showed me yet? Well, here's the opportunity. The opportunity is called the Lead Generation Academy. Now, the Lead Generation Academy is designed to guess what? Show you how to generate leads. And guess what those 4 people are, right? Those 4 people that you originally bring in on week number 1, those are leads, right? And this plan presented to them would allow them to see the awesome leverage that's included with this program, and the way that you can quadruple and I don't even know what the right word is. It's exponentially, that's the word. Exponentially, where did I see that at? That's funny, because it's actually on the sales page, and it says make exponential $90 residual commissions with this reverse 2-up pay plan. See, that's what I'm talking about here. So this is the opportunity. The opportunity is called the Lead Generation Academy. And what the Lead Generation Academy does is it shows you how to generate leads, right? Generate leads for any business. Provides live training. It's perfect for beginners, right? It's taught by top earners. It has a private Facebook group. It has weekly interactive trainings where you can ask questions and participate with the live sessions, right? It shortens the learning curve. Anybody can do this opportunity, right? And it's a way to generate leads for your business. It's a way to generate leads so you can get those 4, so you can start getting more, right? That's all it does. It's an opportunity that definitely works. It's an opportunity that definitely works. And as you can see the numbers. The numbers don't lie. All you need is to execute the plan. Like I said, even if you do it halfway, you'll still get 2. You bring in 2, guess what? Those 2 are going to still pass up 2, and you're going to have 4. Just think about that. I mean, the numbers don't lie. And on top of the original 4 you get, I'm sure once the income, those $90 residual payments come in, you're going to continually pursue to get more 4s. And as you can see, that exponentially grows those $90 recurring commissions. So again, the opportunity is called the Lead Generation Academy. And I already talked about what it teaches here. Also, here's some other subjects that they cover. Facebook marketing, Instagram lead generation, YouTube marketing, guerrilla marketing, copywriting and sales, direct response, text message marketing, prospecting, mastery, email copywriting, attraction marketing, personal brand building, blog marketing, postcard lead generation, phone prospecting script, follow-up marketing, and affiliate team building. So All of this is designed in order to increase your conversion, sales, and profits in any opportunity. Why? Because any and all businesses, they need leads, right? And this is a lead generation academy, which teaches you how to get those leads, right? How to qualify the leads, how to bring the leads into any opportunity, how to communicate to your leads, how to follow up with your leads, right? How to market with your leads. Anyway, all to get those $90 residual commissions. It's an excellent opportunity, and it's part of the Power Lead System platform. Now, here is a visual of what we were talking about previously with the you get 4, the magic number 4, right? So you have your first sale stays on your pay line. Here's your pay line. Your second sale gets passed up. Your third sale stays on your pay line. Your fourth sale gets passed up. So that's the 2. Those are the only 2 you ever have to pass up, and everybody else stays on your pay line. You see how that works? And then when you bring in 2, they owe you 2. You see what I'm saying? So it's like the leverage is all cooked in here, and it's just an excellent way to get continuous $90 residual monthly commissions. So that's kind of all that I wanted to show you, is how you can really make $90 turn into a fortune, basically, right? How you can start a home business, how you can learn how to generate leads, and how you can get unlimited number of $90 commissions. And yes, at some point, those $90 commissions become really life-changing. And it comes life-changing faster than you even think of, right? And like I said, you start with a free trial. It's a 7-day free trial. You just click on the link in the description box below. It'll take you straight to your free trial. You sign it up, reach out to me, and I have some bonuses. And actually, there'll be a link in the description box below with these bonuses right here. Just briefly, this is what they are. Like I said, just click in the description box below, and we can get started, and we can start executing your Get 4 plan, right? This is all you need is 4. And you can start collecting these $90 monthly recurring commissions. So that's all I got. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.